Welcome to a realm of enchantment, a world where magic is reality, and the extraordinary is ordinary. This is the Harry Potter Warner Brothers studio tour in London. Imagine stepping into the Great Hall, surrounded by the grandeur that once hosted Hogwarts' grandest feasts. Picture yourself strolling down Diagon Alley, each storefront a treasure trove of wizarding wonders. Behind each film set, each costume lies a secret, a story that adds a dash more magic to this already spellbinding world. This is not just a tour, it's an immersive journey, a plunge into the heart of the Harry Potter universe. From the towering spires of Hogwarts Castle to the intricate details of the props, every corner is a testament to the craftsmanship and creativity that brought J.K. Rowling's fantastical world to life. Experience the magic, the mystery, and the behind-the-scenes secrets. This is the Harry Potter Warner Brothers studio tour. A journey that's truly beyond the ordinary, a walk through the pages of a beloved tale. Welcome to the heart of the wizarding world.